1 in 4 people in England experiences mental health issues. For students in London, stress has become part of daily life.
Hello everyone, my name is Sofia, and today I will present my startup idea, MindPath, analyzed using Mullin's 7 domains framework. MindPath is an AI-guided well-being walking experience that turns everyday outdoor roads in Wolverhampton, Putney and Richmond Park into short, personalized well-being sessions. MindPath lies within the global mental health and well-being sector. The global well-being market is worth trillions of pounds, and mental health is one of its fastest growing segments. According to global reports, the mental health and well-being market alone is valued at hundreds of billions of pounds and continues to grow each year. MindPath's primary target segment is university student and young professional in SW15. Students are one of the most vulnerable groups when it comes to stress, anxiety and burnout. MindPath fits their lifestyles because it requires no appointment, no waiting list and no therapist involvement. Users would access MindPath through a mobile application or campus-based QR codes. At the concept stage, this demonstrates how students could easily begin a guided well-being walk without appointments or waiting list. For example, after a stressful lecture, a student can immediately start a calming session while walking outdoors. Just simply scan the QR code. MindPath operates within the digital well-being, health tech and education well-being industries. Mental Health First Aid England highlights that poor mental health has a significant impact on education, productivity and overall well-being. As a result, universities increasingly invest in the preventative mental health support rather than relying only on reactive or clinical services. Because MindPath uses existing natural infrastructure and digital audio technology, entry barriers are moderate and operational costs remaining relatively low, making the industry attractive for a scalable startup. MindPath's sustainable competitive advantage lies in its evidence-based foundation. All well-being guidance is developed exclusively from publicly available psychological literature, ensuring transparency, credibility, and low development costs. The content draws on established frameworks, including mindfulness-based stress reduction, positive psychology, emotional intelligence, acceptance and commitment therapy, and cognitive behavioral therapy principles. Combined with AI personalization and real outdoor walking roads, this creates a well-being experience that is difficult for competitors to replicate. The mission of MindPath is to make mental well-being preventative, accessible and stigma-free for students. The project is strongly aligned with university well-being strategies and duty of care responsibilities. Our aspiration is to pilot MindPath at Wolverhampton University and later expand across other London universities. Although AI development involves financial and technological risks, the social impact and scalability of the model make the opportunity worth pursuing. At this stage, MindPath exists as a conceptual prototype, and the focus is on validating the idea, delivery process and execution capability rather than launching a fully developed product. A well-being researcher adapts evidence-based methods from the publicly available psychological literature into short, practical scripts. A mobile app developer would be responsible for building the MindPath application, including road selection, QR code, access and audio playback. An AI engineer, sourced through university innovation programs or freelance platforms, would develop emotional tone analysis and adaptive audio guidance. Road designer would map safe, well-lit walking routes across SW15. Together, these roles demonstrate that the project has the capability to be executed beyond the concept stage. MindPath relies on strong connections across the value chain. Upstream, the project uses open-source technology, platforms and academic research. Downstream, the primary customer is the university, which licenses the app and provides free access for students. Mental health challenges cost organizations billions of pounds each year through absenteeism, reduced performance and dropouts, making preventative well-being programs a cost-effective solution. In conclusion, the 7 domains analysis shows that MindPath addresses a large and growing market, operates within an attractive industry and has the internal capability to execute successfully. By combining evidence-based psychology, AI personalization and nature-based walking roads, MindPath empowers students to take control of their mental well-being through something as simple as a walk. Thank you for watching.